Good morning on Wednesday, the 8th of November. Bitcoin update on the daily. I just spotted this pattern. We do have this kind of, it's often, I call it a reversal channel because it often leads to a correction with this bearish divergence, you see. But happened here also. Sorry. And we indeed got a nice pullback, a decent pullback before going up again. But look at this pattern. Also bearish divergence and poof, up. And that's what I think might happen now over here also. Yesterday I explained to you about this order book depth chart on Bitfinex, where I mentioned the idea that this is suppression, sell walls here, and pushing the price or holding the price down, and that combined with this chart where the spot was coming down and now more or less the past days more or less stalling. Going back to here, what we saw yesterday was a perfect example. Price was being pushed down. Many people started opening shorts. A massive amount of shorts were opened and pushing the price here into this zone. And then suddenly spot started to buy here, pushing the price a bit higher, and then boom, short squeeze. And this is exaggerating it a bit, but you can see here the difference between spot and perps. Perps was closing their shorts. Shorts were here, let's say over here. In this move up, they were liquidated or covered, and that brought a lot of buying orders into the market, and that led to this big move up yesterday. And we're now here stalling or correcting a bit. And I also see that that flagging is not there anymore. This wall was taken here, so there is one left. But yeah, it is supporting my idea that we might get a move to the upside. So back to my normal chart, and when I look here, you see this range with the possible move down to that green box, which I think is not that interesting anymore, because we broke above that range. I said if we reclaim 35,000, that range high here, then I'll look for longs. So I am looking for longs here and want to see a certain move. We do have here an impulsive move to the upside and correction. And I have to go really to the lower time frame to find something what might be interesting. Or let's say then I will be interested in a long. Look, we pulled back below the 50% discount zone, this move, which is enough to look for longs. We pulled into this demand zone. So I'll be looking for this. We do have this high from yesterday. This is a lower high, lower high, lower high. And on the lowest time frame, this lower high led to this lower low, which took out the previous low. It's only a spike and immediately up, retesting that range and up. So if I do see here a bit more strength coming in, and we do something like 5 up, break that level, then I look for a pullback and upside, and there should be my long. If I miss it on the higher time frame, well, not that high, but I would have another chance over here. And then I would be looking for 41,000. For now, this bounce is not yet really looking strong. And I have to go back to down to the 5-minute chart. It's not yet super bullish. Well, you can see the difference with here. This could be just an ABC, and that we do maybe one more down and then up. And then it changes the character a bit. But ideally, I want to see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a correction and then up again. If so, then 41,000 is on the charts for me.